Hey guys, it's Joe Jordanbikes. Today I've got for sale this absolutely stunning Yamaha MT10 Touring. New for this year, come out in 2018, so it's a bit of a Bobby Dazzler is this one. So the Touring comes with the high lift screen on it, the hand guards, this Yamaha MT10 luggage as well, but the owner has fitted a Lextek exhaust, a decal on it which sounds fantastic, billet levers, a smaller screen and a tail tider. We've been a tour and it comes with this fancy seat as well, so it's really cushioned, really nice. It's one owner bike and it's only done 1,317 miles. Loads of little bits and bats on it. It's got the Quickshifter on this as standard, traction, ABS, all the bits that you want on a bike. Really nice thing is this. Give it a quick fire up because these sound absolutely gorgeous with decal on. Oh, sounds like absolute animal. So, what are you waiting for? Get yourself down to Jordanbikes and get this new MT10. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and once it's done, we will give you a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We also offer finance and PCPs, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. If you like what you've seen, give us a ring and get it bought. Thank you.